What's the meaning of boneshaker? Boneshaker. Boneshaker.
Boneshaker. Boneshaker. The term boneshaker refers to an early type of bicycle with a high front wheel and small rear wheel. The design made for a very bumpy ride due to the lack of suspension, making the rider feel every bump and jolt in the road. The name boneshaker comes from the sensation of feeling like one's bones are being shaken during the ride. Despite being uncomfortable, the boneshaker was a popular design in the mid-19th century and paved the way for future advancements in bicycle technology.